Hello everyone. Are you waiting eagerly to join with me? Welcome to my creative world. Here I'm very happy to see you all. I can share my ideas on the best out of waste. In this video, I'm going to use corn husk and wedding cards. What am I going to do with them? Can you guess? No, you can't. If you say yes, please do comment. I know you are very curious. Before we start our craft, let's watch these clippings of maize. Wow, roasted maize. No doubt, it's the favorite food to all. During rainy season, it's the right food we prefer to eat and enjoy. At the time of traveling, it's the time pass food. It is the easiest and quickest snack. It simplifies the work of mothers. Here is another variety of corn. Yes, sweet corn. To the cute kids, it is the crazy food. It is loaded with nutrients. It has many health benefits. Do add in your diet and enjoy good health. Anyhow, we learned many things about the maize. What about its peel? We never think of it. Simply we throw it away. If we think creatively, it can be used to decor our home. It's the time for craft. Let's start. In the first step, take the corn husk and color it with green. You can use either fabric color or poster color. Here I am using poster color and I am getting ready to paint. After coloring, keep them aside and dry it. Now it got ready to decorate with flowers. Let's move to the step 2. Here we can make beautiful flowers using wedding cards. Here are my wedding cards. I have chosen these 3 colors: red, yellow and blue. Are you enjoying the beauty of flowers? It's the combination of corn husk and wedding cards. Don't you believe it? What are the different materials do we need? Wedding cards, scissors, stapler, thermocol balls, glue gun or feather gun. Now let's watch how do we make flowers using wedding cards. We made flowers in this way. They got ready to decor. Now take the colored husk and arrange on them. Are you enjoying the beauty of flowers? It's the combination of corn husk and wedding cards. Don't you believe it? One more thing I want to share with you. I spent no money on it. Limited time and little effort gave us a great home decor. Do you agree with me? If you say yes, please do comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified to get new updates. If you like my idea, you can also try and decorate your home. Keep watching for my next uploads. Thank you for watching and spending your valuable time.